Hey everyone! If you're a web designer, you know this struggle. Endless options for building WordPress sites, but which page builder actually delivers in 2025? Let's cut the noise and dive into the top 5 best WordPress page builders this year. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your vibe and workflow. Number 5, we have Divi. Divi's like your all-in-one creative toolbox. Its visual editor is super smooth, and you can drag and drop and tweak every pixel without touching code. The pre-made layouts? Gorgeous. But heads up, it's a bit heavier, so if site speed is your obsession, keep watching. Number 4, SeedProd. If you love quick landing pages or coming soon screens, SeedProd is your ride or die. It's lightweight, lightning fast, and so easy even your client's grandma could use it. But for complex pages, maybe not your best bet. Coming in at number 3, Brizy. Brizy makes designing feel like playing with Lego blocks. It's intuitive, modern, and those global styling options save crazy amounts of time. Integration with marketing tools is a breeze. The catch? Its community is still growing, so you might hit limits with third-party add-ons. Runner-up spot, number 2, goes to Beaver Builder. This one's a classic. Rock solid, stable, and loved by agencies. Its clean code means your sites are fast and SEO friendly. It's not the flashiest, but reliability? Top-notch. If you build for clients and need something that just works, Beaver's a safe bet. And the crown for 2025's best WordPress page builder goes to Elementor. No surprise, right? Elementor is everywhere. The live editor is slick. You get hundreds of widgets, and it works with just about every theme. The new Flexbox container? Total game changer for responsive design. Plus, there's a massive community pumping out new templates and add-ons. So which one should you use? If you want pure flexibility and a huge ecosystem, go Elementor. Prefer classic stability? Beaver Builder. Want speed and simplicity? SeedProd. Need creative freedom? Divi or Brizy could be your jam. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Try out free versions, play around, and see which builder vibes with your style. Drop your favorite builder in the comments below, and hit that subscribe for more web design tips. I'll catch you in the next one.